Hello everyone, welcome to Games with Frank, and today we will be looking at how to make a reloading system for the FPS controller that comes with the standard assets in Unity. So you get that by going to assets, input package, and going to characters. So you get this rigid body first person controller, and I just parented a gun to the camera. So this is basically made of two cubes. That's it, nothing special, and a spawn point that I created in front of the gun so that we can spawn uh, the bullets. So basically that's it. That's the scene setup. Let's go into coding. So the basic FSM that we need for the first person controller is shooting. So that is get the mouse button down, and this is shoot, and this would basically spawn, let's say something like a cube. I'll just go to the spawn point and I'll reset its position. There we go. So that's basically going to be our bullet. So this, I'll just name this bullet, and I'll go to playmaker and add an FSM to this, and I'll say add force, and force is going to be in the positive Z axis. So let's give it a force of 200 every frame, and it would wait for 2 seconds or something, and it would destroy itself. So it would go to the second state and destroy. So this is going to be our bullet. So now if I go to project and save a prefab of the bullet and delete it, I'll go back to shoot, and here I want to create an object, and this create object is going to bring the bullet to the spawn point, and it's gonna go back to the first state. So that's basically our setup. So I'll just go to game and I hit play. Let's see how that works. So every time I click my left mouse button, it should spawn the bullet at the spawn point, and it should go forward and destroy. So that's basically what we did. So next we'll be dealing with the variables that are associated. So okay, there we go. I think I just put the okay, let's fix that. I'll just bring in the bullet and go to playmaker, and over here just make sure that this is set to self space instead of world space, because that is the one with the problem. So I'll just delete it, and now it should work fine. There we go. So that's working pretty fine, and our bullets are getting destroyed as well. So that's pretty good. And let's just add a simple material to it. I'll just add the same material to that, and apply it. And now let's go back to the FSM, and over here I'll just say int add, and this is going to be my new variable that I'll call ammo. So every time it shoots a bullet, it would use is 1 ammo, and this ammo is going to be something like, let's give it a value of 10, and I'll set it to the inspector. And now if I click play, we should be able to see the number going down every time we shoot a bullet. So there we go. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now it would possibly go in the negative. There we go. So we need to fix that. For that, we'll have to, yeah, we can do an int compare right here and say if ammo is 0, it would wait for reload, and yeah, this is going to be every frame. So wait for reload is going to state 3, and this is going to do another int compare, and this time we'll create a new variable, and this is going to be my clips, or say magazines, and if the magazines are greater than 0, then we can reload. And that's going to be my get key down again, and this time it'll be an R. I'll just give it a finish statement, and this is going to set set int value, and this is going to set ammo back to 10, and it's going to subtract 1 from the magazine, and it'll go back to the first state. So that's it, that's pretty much it. Yeah, let's save, and I'll just give magazines a value of 2, and I'll also add this to the inspector. So I'll just hit play, and let's see what would happen. So you can see that we came into the reload state, and if I press R, you can see that the magazines has decreased by 1, and we got the ammo back again, and I cannot shoot right now. So if I press R again, we have 10, and I can't do anything until I go get an ammo clip or a magazine. So that's basically the part of reloading. I'll also add a simple ammo pickup kind of thing. So this is going to be my ammo pickup thing. I'll just name it ammo pickup, and I'll just go to playmaker, and I'll say mouse pick event, mouse down, actually mouse over, let's say can pick. Sorry for that interruption. So yeah, we'll do a mouse pick event, and if the mouse is on this object, then he can pick that up. So he has to press a key, and that's going to be E, as most of the games use. So this is going to be sending an event called pick, and that will be state 3. And if it is off, yeah, mouse off would be finished, and it would go back to the first state. And in the third state, it would actually destroy setfsm int, yeah, ouch, setfsm int, and that's going to be I'll drag the widget body first person controller into this, and FSM name is going to be FSM, and I'll set the magazines. Actually this is going to be bigger than expected, because we should get the integer that it has, and we should add 1 to that. So basically we should get the FSM integer called magazines, and this is going to be stored at current mag, something like that, and then we'll do an int operator, and this is going to be current mag plus 1 is new mag or something like that. Yeah, so a new mag will be the integer that we'll be setting, and soon after this it will be destroyed. So that's basically the FSM that we need for this. So I'll just keep this on highlight so that we can see and monitor the variables, ammo and magazines respectively. So when I hit play, I should be able to shoot and reload and shoot again and shoot again. Now I'm totally out of magazines, so I'll just look at this box and press E, and then we have another magazine, so I can reload by pressing R, and then I can shoot again. So that's basically how you create a reloading system in Playmaker. So this can be applied to any sort of game. Suppose you're building a platformer or a third-person shooter or something like that. So this is the basic code behind what you can do. I mean, it can be more complicated, but I find this easy method. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to my channel so that you can catch every video. So I'll see you in my next video.